Hello there, my friends, and welcome to day number 28 of this 30-day content marketing strategy, where I take you by the hand and walk you step by step by giving you 30 days worth of content ideas that you could use to help you generate leads for your business. If this is the first video you've come across in this 30-day challenge, I've got your back. Click the link in the description to access this 30-day playlist. Go through the playlist, but make sure you take action after each video and actually clone the video, make it your own, use it to promote any opportunity that you choose, right? Now, if you are interested in learning directly from my millionaire mentor, then stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, today, what you're going to do, if you're new to my channel, by the way, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business marketing. And I help moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and spend more quality time with their family, right? Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time, living from paycheck to paycheck. It felt like the money just went through me, came into my account and out the other way. And there was just never enough at the end of the month, right? I was literally going from paycheck to paycheck. Up until this time, I was dabbling online. So you name it, I've done it, from crypto to trading to network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping. And I always had this mom guilt because I felt like I had an expensive hobby, like I had an addiction, right? And I was always spending more than I was earning. So this left me overwhelmed and frustrated until I hit rock bottom and I decided to learn the skills that I needed to market online. So long story short, back in August of this year, I came across a 6-figure blueprint that was put together by a grandmother of 6 children who went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero money, zero followers, zero lists, to earning over $1 million in 17 months. So she's on a mission to help 1,000 members of our community earn 6 figures, right? This is what I'm here to share with you. I'm actually going through a 30-day content marketing strategy that I'm sharing with you. So today, what you want to do is you want to actually you can celebrate your own success, or you can celebrate somebody else's success in your community. If you don't have success, or somebody else in your community has better success, you can celebrate their success. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to celebrate a member of our community success that actually had me in tears, right? It just drove shivers down my spine, okay? So 2 days ago, Alana said, "Finally got my new car. Praise our Most High. I had my car repossessed many years ago because as a single mom, I could not keep up with my car payments. I will never, ever forget the look on my daughter's face when the gentleman drove off with our car. She did not understand what was happening, and I felt like a worthless mom." I can relate to feeling like a worthless mom. I literally had times when I thought my kids would be better off without me. I actually had those times as well, but then I realized, no, they need me because no one else can love them like I do, right? It still feels unreal that I was able to get my dream car, truck in the USA, okay? And my favorite color this week. It feels unreal, right? My daughter's face when we drove back from the dealership was priceless, and she's still making any excuse to go for a drive. All I can say is I'm super grateful that I found this amazing program, and thanks to my amazing mentor, Michelle. Have a wonderful Friday, everybody. Here's a link if you want to see the car. So here, click the link and check out this beautiful truck if you're in the USA. Right? I actually had this open here for you. Oh, did I not? Had it open here. Okay, never mind. Here. Okay. Okay, so what else can I say, right? Alana has said it all for you, right? So what I want to do is I want to give you access to a free guide. It's an interactive guide that shows you how to earn 10K in 30 days. We have hundreds of members in our community that are earning that. And when I deliver the guide to you, check your email. I'm going to give you access to our private members only community, a free version of that community where Alana posted in, where you can get a feel of our community, ask any questions. We're here to help you make an informed decision. As long as you are sick and tired of your living from paycheck to paycheck, if you're not happy with your current situation and you're willing to invest the time and the money in learning the skills to build a successful business, we're here to help you. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to record a video, share my screen, and answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.